Good morning, guys. Jake and Chris here for Dude Ranch DIY. We are at Firewood at the Furnace. Brad's open house here. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and the first machine to get fired up was the Eastonmade Axis from the gentleman over at York Firewood. And they are wasting no time hitting this pile of ash over here and conveying it right into the tote. We got a bunch of people here already, and we are excited to have a great day. A lot of orange and blue here. There's the man himself.
Everything's all fired up. We got a 500 rod back there going. We have another. Got a couple guys over here. This Eastonmade 916. I gotta say, this Eastonmade has seen its fair share of wood. See, some of the panels are already bent over on it. Powder coating's all worn away. Will be loading up this trailer and getting the wood on out of here, stacked up. Hard at work filling up this tote. This machine is really nice. It's almost like hands-free splitting. If there was conveyor on the back going right into the dump trailer and make it that much better. But so far the only qualm that I have with it is it doesn't like crotchy pieces. It really just kind of like breaks them up and turns them into debris on the ground. But yeah, other than that, this thing is awesome. I love it. You should definitely look into a box wedge.
All right, I don't know what he just said there, but I think he likes it. Over here, we got the 2228 with the Dude Ranch sticker. Looks like he's got an 8-way wedge on it.
What is this, 1222 with the box wedge? I just got off this machine. I'm in love. Jake's pushed the lever twice and he says he needs it.
I mean, the machine works so easy, it's almost like he looks like a professional. I don't know what to say about it.
It's all pretty nice and straight oak, red oak. But it's making quick work of filling his trailer up. Little Echo. The Walt electric. Man, they got it all here. But something's getting ready to happen here, and I wanted to capture this on video. Go ahead. Sound of nature. There it is, the very first one of the day. So, drive is underway. What time is it, somebody?
12:37.
Jake says it's 12:37, so I think we made it through. That's pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's afternoon.
You're doing good today. 9:30 is normal.
You gonna get him out, Shibe?
Well, we'll see what the big heavy Chevy can do, I guess.
All right, if not, I got the Illusion Fusion.
Oh, yeah.
Take out the basketball hoop, you all right?
It looks like it's already been taken out.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, there's no backstop.
It's out of service.
That thing, you're going to miss every time.
Aux beam. I'll send you the footage. Aux beam.
Get one.
Pulling trucks out of fields.
In the daylight.
It's all right. Turning the light bar on gave you like 10 more horsepower.
Yeah, probably 50.
Well, all right, guys, we are winding down here at the end of the day. The Eastonmade Axis, I was told, produced a total of 7 IBC totes. I mean, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it could be 7, could be 9. Here's Shibe, the man of the hour.
Wood, lots of man glare.
Woo! Woo! We got just wood carnage everywhere. All the piles that we started out with are pretty much gone. A little bit here and there. Got most of it even stacked. Brad's rows are looking real good. Got a couple dump trailer loads full as well. We got Andrew Easton over here.
Oh, Jake.
Jake.
We got
sticker.
Chuck and Deb here. Oh, you want a sticker?
Oh, you want to? Yeah, we don't have it.
Here we go. Here, take 3. That one's bent, so take 2 others. Give him one. Yeah, Chris has more. We're just doing a little wrap up. How was today, guys?
Great.
Excellent. I'm glad we could make it. Our trip got canceled. Couldn't work out any better.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking forward to seeing that drone footage.
Oh, it'll be around. I'm going to share it with a lot of other
All right.
A lot of other YouTubers.
So this is the end. We got the 2228. And just doing a little chatting.